on Make It, Code It, Print It, we're going to talk about the CTC Bizer and how you can install Marlin software on it. There's no need to throw away this printer. And actually, I would say it's a good printer because most of them have the same internal hardware. The software might change, but as long as it has capacity, you can actually still use it. And anyway, what you're going to need is you're going to need a CTC Bizer with the 18 mega 2560, a printer cable, a CTC Marlin Hex file, and Avrdudess software. Alright, first of all, you need to know what motherboard you have. You'll have to look under your CTC printer, probably remove like a little paneling, take some hex wrenches, but however, you look under, and in the center here you will see the main chip, and on it will be printed 1280 or 2560. You may need a magnifying glass to see it. And then up here you will have the reset button, and here's the printer port, and these are of course important in order to get the Marlin software installed. Now you're going to need to download the hex files from the link in the video. You're going to have to install the Avrdudess from either link in this video. You're going to connect the printer cable to the computer and 18 mega 2560 board. Under programmer, you're going to select STK 500 version 2. You'll have to select your correct COM port. Then the baud rate should be 57600. You could use 115200. You're also going to want to select the 18 mega 2560. Make sure it's it right. Select the correct file. And then, yes, disable the flash erase. You do not want to do that. Leave everything else alone. And then you're finally going to have to hit program and the reset button. However, you're going to want to do a click from your computer mouse, then next to the reset button. This has to happen in less than a second, but it's a 1-2 type of action for the program and reset button. I will link this in the video below, but here's a picture of the website from GitHub. Here is the two CTC Bizer hexes, and even has the code if you want to look it over. Also, here's the Avrdudess you can get from GitHub. I prefer to get from this site. They're made by the same person, doesn't matter. And here's what it looks like as it is, most current version. And don't be fooled. See, it says ATML STK 500 version 2. That's alright. That's alright. And then you want the COM3, then the baud rate, and everything else as you saw it. And then you're going to want to hit program, then hit the reset button. And as I said before, in less than a second. I'm not putting this on video this time because next time I'm going to make a longer video showing how to go through the whole process. But this is just if you have all the right setup, and it actually won't work if you don't have a flash, like if the flash installer is not on the board already, and that would be a different video too. But hopefully this helped you out. Leave any questions in the comments section, and I'll see you next time.